Your Excellency. The Honorable Minister of Information, the Chairman of the STV, Dr. Bright. I wish to call other people, but I'm not good with names. All other protocol duly observed. Today is the 1st October, because today is our Independence Day. I think Nigeria is blessed. There's a lot of, but you can't even name what Nigeria is blessed with. There are many. We are here today to launch TSTV. I want to assure you that TSTV has come to stay. I cannot express my excitement when I heard the services they are about to render to Nigerians and even beyond Nigeria. The services are overwhelming, and most importantly, only to discover that it's being owned by a Nigerian. And Nigeria our own. So I think it's a wonderful idea that we almost welcome. Dr. Bright, you are doing wonderful, thank you. What you have to be much careful, very much careful. There are saboteurs all over. Though Nigerians, they don't promote Nigeria. They don't promote what Nigeria has. So I think all hands must be on deck to support TSTV, which is our own. I had, when you do subscription, it's better as you go. It will take time before you, whatever you watch is what you spend. So I think it's a good idea. Don't worry, the government are fully in support of this idea. We will support it to the fullest. Of course, my speech cannot be complete without talking about corruption. I still want to make it clear that corruption is no go area. Whoever you are, or wherever you are, we are willing and determined that Nigeria must move forward. And one of the steps is to kill corruption. Secondly, the unity of Nigeria, which is not negotiable. lot of my friends, people that are in the news, kept calling. October 1st is the corner. October 1st is the corner. I say relax. I celebrate the Independence Day wherever you are. And I think it has happened. So as a matter of fact, we are better off together. Something we talked about with you, to write. What was this proverb you told me? And you got about. I think it's quite important. And there's this slogan of those that love Nigeria, Alabutu. Indeed, it is. And it will remain like that. Nigeria is one, and it will remain like that. So, at this moment, I don't want to bore you with a lot of talks. You know, we politicians, we can talk a lot. So I will stop here. Probably I will give room for, I'm not going to give up questions about Nigeria, but I will just give room for 3 questions. I think you take the mic, and those 3, I cannot go beyond that.
Mr. President, we thank you for honoring us on this occasion. Sir, will you be watching TSTV in Aso Rock?
Well, of course, when the DSTV is disconnected.